And breaking news coming in on the IAF chief's big remark on Operation Sindoor's success. The Indian Air Force chief in a speech today has said that Indian jets were blown up is Pakistan's Manohar Kahani, that Pakistan made up this entire issue of Indian jets actually being down. Operation Sindoor was the most significant operation of the year after the Pahalgam attack, and the longest kill we achieved was of more than 300 kilometers in their territory. Full freedom was given to the forces. This is what the IAF chief has said today, that this Operation Sindoor will go down in history as one war that started with a goal and a call was taken by a nation on to ceasefire. Our robust air defense infrastructure worked out to be a game changer. This is what the Air Chief Marshal Amarpreet Singh has said today.
During that conflict of 4 days, that is attacking the terrorist camps and thereafter giving them a befitting reply to their misadventures, trying to attack our civil population and attack our military installations. Our robust air defense infrastructure, was very, very important part of the whole plan, and that came in. It along with its all the three services, the Army, Navy, Air Force assets being merged together, the air defense assets, the counter UAV assets, and everything working under one combined control of IACCS. It worked out to be a game changer, and under that they were almost not allowed to any freedom to do anything. And our long-range SAMs, the long-range SAMs that we had procured recently and operationalized, that again, turned the table on them. We could look deep inside their territory. We could make sure that they were not able to operate even within their territory, up to a certain distance. And it will go down in the history, that longest kill that we achieved of more than 300 kilometers by that. So I think that question can be best answered by ADA or Chairman DRDO exactly, because we do get our feedback time to time. But exactly where is it in terms of as of today, he should be able to answer better. As I understand, it is going to fly in this decade. In 2020s, 28, somewhere, that is the first flight planned. And by 2035, supposed to be inducted and operationalized in Indian Air Force as of now. So it's a tough task if you look at it from point of view the way LCA Mark 1 has gone. But at the same time, now they have got a lot of experience behind them. So if, and also we have some new model which is being tried out, that is the industry model, where the private industry is being allowed in this. So I personally feel this timeline can be achieved or maybe even bettered if people really want to do it. It's possible. And as far as technology is concerned, now AMCA technology is fairly clear in our mind as to what we want and what is required and where it is available and how it is available. A lot of parallel work is going on. So I think that should be able to meet the timelines according to me. As far as Su-57, S-57, correct? Su-57. So that is concerned, I just want to say is that we have to weigh all the options, and we in Defense Ministry and in Indian Air Force, we have a very set process of induction of any weapon system, and that process will be followed. So what comes will depend on what meets the requirement and what is the best for us. And I'm sure whatever decisions collectively is taken will be best for the Indian Defence Forces. So as far as offensive action is concerned, the indigenously developed weapons, the indigenously integrated weapons were used. Long-range weapons were used with good precision, and pan front, about 1,200 kilometers of border front, and deep inside enemy territory up to almost 200 plus kilometers inside. We were able to strike. We were able to strike with precision, with minimal collateral, trying our best not to have any casualties from civilian side. and we were able to bring them to their knees in, actually speaking, one night of intensive operations. And, the ability of Air Force to be able to deliver this catastrophic firepower, and, it has been shown, I think, first time after 1971. And this is something that a nation has not seen in the recent past. And our own motto this year, that has been Achuk, Abhede, Evam Satik, has been proven in this operation, if I can say.
And Shivani Sharma joins me on this story. The Indian Air Force chief making a very big remark on the success of Operation Sindoor, saying that Pakistan made up stories about Indian aircrafts being down. He's also talking about upgradation of the Indian Air Force fighter jets. Shivani, what more do we know about what the IAF chief has said?
Anisha, this was the first press interaction after Operation Sindoor, and this happens to be the annual press conference of Indian Air Force Chief, Air Chief Marshal, where openly took questions. He gave clarity on to the modernization plan of the Indian Air Force, and also gave out the details of Operation Sindoor. There was a lot of question being raised about Pakistan making claims on Indian losses. What the Air Chief said was that Pakistan has been making manohar kahaniyan, and we should just ignore it. Why should we go and tell the Pakistanis what happened? Because they should find out what happened. And he also added here that they don't have even a single picture of the damage that they've been claiming on the Indian Air Force. And instead, they've lost more than 9 to 10 aircraft. The 4 to 5 aircraft that they've lost on ground were in the hangars. We've already shown enough evidence about the runways that were cratered by the Indian Air Force's action, and the command centers that have been destroyed, the 4 radars that have been destroyed. And apart from this, 1 C-130 class aircraft has been lost, 1 AWACS has been lost. So that makes their losses in terms of aircraft to 9 and 10. It can be even more. And what he also said that this was an operation which will go into the history, where Indian Air Force has struck deep inside the territory, and the longest kill was 300 kilometers. That is an achievement. And Anisha, not only this, he also talked about the modernization plans of the Indian Air Force, where very soon the Indian Air Force is expecting the Tejas Mark 1A fighters that are being made and manufactured by HAL. The AMCA project timelines also he gave, but the highlight was definitely Operation Sindoor.